March 8, 2026. 45 bottles of Vixenfix IR 75 milligram get the wrong tablet count. Worn vibratory feeder springs. The line halts. Deviation DEV BY 1330 opens. 11 weeks earlier, on the same bottle filling line, DEV US 706. Worn feeder liner, degraded bushings, 214 bottles quarantined. Same underlying root cause. Calendar-based maintenance that doesn't track usage hours on wear parts. The kappas from the first one were already closed. Nobody connected them. This is how repeat deviations hide in plain sight. Even when the same root cause is staring at you from past deviations on the same line, nobody has time to read every historical investigation end to end to spot it. Amalgo's deviation analysis stores every deviation with its full signature: parameters, equipment, materials, conditions, personnel, and confirmed root cause. When a new deviation opens, the system scores it against every historical event in the graph to find similarities. That search gets started even before a formal deviation record exists. Suppose a supervisor notices something odd and types 2 sentences. Tablet count variance on filling line after shift change. Vibratory feeder sounds different than usual. That's the whole input. No structured form, no keywords to pick. The search runs on meaning. So feeder sounds different matches past events that described worn vibratory feeder springs or degraded bushings. No keyword matches needed, just the same concept. Amalgo returns the most semantically similar historical deviations, ranked by match strength. Then it layers on AI-generated hypotheses, such as probable root causes with likelihood scores, and the past kappas that addressed it already surfaced for review. And here's the part that matters most. DEV US 706's kappas, which were about shifting filling line wear parts to usage-based maintenance, requiring equipment IDs on deviation reports, and assessing components site-wide, were closed in January with an effectiveness check scheduled for March 24th. The root cause recurred on March 8th, 16 days before the check date. The system flags those kappas as ineffective automatically in the trends view, without anyone having to go looking. Repeat deviations get caught at number 2, not number 7. Investigators start with a ranked hypothesis, not a blank page. Kappa effectiveness becomes measurable because the graph knows whether the root cause came back. Stop investigating the same deviation twice. See the repeat the first time it repeats.